Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a picture black and white in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make a picture background or picture black and white. Go to the blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose the picture from our file and click open. Then place the picture. Then go to the layer option and go to the new adjustment, and we can see here many options. We select the black and white. Otherwise, press Ctrl Alt Shift B to use keyboard shortcut key, and we can see this image is black and white. Then we then close the panel. Now we can see we make a picture black and white very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.